Welcome to SwiftTubes Content Creators. So this video is going to be about basic video editing. Now, the different video editing apps that you could use both on desktop computers or any other computers along with mobile phones. This video is going to show you about an effective video editing app called KineMaster, and I'm going to walk you through how to create quality videos just from your mobile app. Okay, so you guys stick around. So the first thing we're going to be talking about is how to select your own music and intro in KineMaster. If you get the premium version, which is about $26 annually, you'll get all the features. And trust me when I tell you, from a person who has been using KineMaster, it gives you all the features you need to produce the best videos from your mobile phone. Okay, so here we go. We are clicking on KineMaster. So the first thing you want to do is create a project and select the screen size. Now, there are two typical ones normally, the phone, the 9:16, which is like a phone screen video, or landscape for mainly YouTube videos. So let's go try the one for YouTube video. So I'm going to select the 16:9 one, okay? And right there, that takes you to the main video editing screen. Okay, so the first step we're gonna do is start selecting our own music and intro. So we're gonna go click on the store asset located right here on that button. And when you click on it, you're gonna see on the left side, there's a bunch of icons, which all means different things. We can get into that into another video. For now, we're going to focus on music and selecting an intro. So as you see and you scroll down, there's all different types of beats that you could use, all different types of genres. So you can click on whatever you want and download it. And again, if you have the premium version, all of this stuff is available for you. So we're just going to go click on hip hop, and let's just say if you could just actually review it first. And as you've seen, I ended up liking that beat, so I installed it, and that now should be available for my features. Now you want to collect what intro you want, right? So you go down to that YouTube icon, you see where it says video, and you click on it. And these are a bunch of introductions that KineMaster is providing. So let's scroll down, and let's just say we are going to pick, I like the golden coin. We'll just see, you can actually review it. And let's see how it looks. Okay, now you might not know this, but basically those were about 3 different types of introductions. So I'm going to download it, and basically it'll give you 3 different styles of this particular coin. So that's how the introductions really work with selecting KineMaster, and I'm going to show you how. So it's downloading. Now you press the X button on the top left on the screen, and now you're back at your video editing main screen. So now that you downloaded your music and your intro, let's begin. So you click on media, you click on video, and then you click on videos where that YouTube sign is, and click on it. And these are all the introductions that I've decided to collect. They're available for my premium version. So let's just say I'm going to pick this cell phone. See, there's 3 different. Earlier I picked the coins. There's actually 5 different intros with the coins, but I'm going to pick the cell phone, and that's going to be my intro. And just take a look at it. So that's how that is, right? Now, what I want to do is give some life to the intro. So what I want to do is I want to click on the actual clip, and this is another way you can optimize it. You see vignette, you can click on that, and that kind of gives a little shade to it. Also, you can click on clip graphics. When you click on clip graphics, it gives you an opportunity to put a text in your intro. So I'm gonna go to basic, and let's just give this a slide and cross feature. There's a whole bunch of features. I'm going to use this. So this is what I'm going to do. How to make, click that check. Intros for YouTube. And then what I could do is add a little color. Also, I just want to note that you see this highlight area, this yellow highlight area. This is actually the title and how long you can make it in that clip. So you can actually shorten it. I'm going to show you how. So this is how you do it. You can actually scroll and make it like this. Trim it down so it only gives a little bit, a small amount of time of showing this. It all depends on how you want. So look how it looks. So you click the check button and let's see how it looks. Or you could just simply put it from the beginning to the end, which isn't so bad. How to make intros for YouTube. So boom, it's just as simple as that. So that's how you select your own intro. Now, how do you select a music for that, right? So remember, I created music. So you click on audio, and we're gonna go to the musics that I had downloaded. So let's see, Homeboy, that was what I created, right? And that's the music intro. So I click the check button and I take this and I want to cut this off, right? So you see the split? So you go here, split it, and you can trim it from the right, and that's it. Now let's see how it goes. And that's your intro. So now we're going to show you how to start editing your video clips. So you click on media and you see the video icon on the top left. You click on that, and where you see albums, it says all. Click on all, and then click on the video that you want to edit. In this case, I'm going to select a video. So this is the video I'm going to edit. And there are 3 ways of editing your video to cut off clips that you don't want. So the first thing I'm going to start off with is how to edit from the left side, okay? So you see this introduction. I want to cut off this time right here and make it shorter. So I want to cut off this. It's around like this. And you click the line of where you want to cut it off at. So I'm going to click there, and then you go to trim/split, the scissors icon. And then you click on trim to left of playhead. Now that cut off that section. And now I got this part. Now if you want to adjust it, you can click on this and you can see where it starts from the beginning. You know this is still showing that piece of video I don't want to see. You could actually slightly adjust it by actually clicking on the video clip and merging it to the right, and then save it, and look. And I got it through, right? So that's how you do it from the left side. Now I'm going to show you how to actually video clip from the middle. So we're gonna go through what I want to actually cut off from the middle. And let's just say I want to cut off the section where his back is showing. So I'm gonna actually click on here. Again, click on the line, of the exact part that I want to edit, you put trim split, and then you put split at playhead. And right there it gives you a split. Now you can click the check button to get off of it. Now scroll to where you want to cut it off at, right? So I want to cut off the back section of this video, or the section where it shows its back. It's just an example. Okay, so right here, I'm going to cut it off. Again, hit that line. Go to trim/split. Split at playhead. Now that I split, I have the middle piece of my video that I want to get rid of. And you see on the left side, there's a trash icon. You click it and it deletes. So that's how you delete from the middle. Now I'm going to show you how to delete from the right. So as you see, I'm looking for where I want to get rid of it. And that would probably be this section right here, right? So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go right there. And then I'm going to click on the line that I want to exactly trim the video. I'm going to go to trim/split. And then I'm going to trim to right of playhead. And that cuts off that piece. Press a check. Now I just edited the video from left, middle to right. Okay, so I'm gonna make an adjustment on this one here. There you go. Save it. And then I'm gonna click on here and you see, it still shows its back. So I'm gonna slightly adjust it and then hit save. Also for transitions, you can also transition this if you want. So you see where you have the cross on the transition, you click on it and then it gives you options of how you want it to transition. There are many different options and look at all the options. So we're just going to use one, let's say the cover. See, it gives you how you would like it to look. Let's go to 3D. Gives you a preview. Save. That's an example of how you do transition. Let's do the background music, right? So you click on audio and let's just say you want to have your music play in the background. Click. So I'm going to click on that one. If you see the loop, you press the loop and then you can actually loop it to the end. Now, if you're talking in the video, obviously it's very important that you balance the music, the background music. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to click on the music that we clicked on for the background, and you go to mixer. When you go to mixer, you got to put literally the volume. So I would put, just to be on the safe side, I would put probably level, I'll put 7%, maybe 8%, and save it, and let's see how it looks.
A good one tonight. Both fighters say they are primed, coming off a very intense and passionate training camp.
Assuming that you actually were speaking and you had the background the way I just described, and it would actually sound good. So once you're done with that and you're happy with that, then you can go on the top right where it's that save icon, and when you click on it, you just save it. Then it should show the most latest one, and here we go.